Yo, you guys, so today I'm gonna show you of the magnetic phone holder for your car, which comes in this little nice package here, and I don't want to hold it back from you. It works with almost any fan. They prefer you to have a circled, roundish fan in your car, and then that's just a simple, easy thing here. As you see, you pull this little thing out. Why you twist it, I will show that later on. Then you have got this little bulk here, and then you're gonna screw that on. First you have to unscrew this, make it not as tight, then you flick it on here, and then you can fix it or put it in the position you want it to be, tighten it up, and then it's gonna stick there. So that's cool and exciting. And let's see what else we have. We have also a different mount type if you just want to stick this on. And down there, give me a second. Yeah, whatever. We are not gonna use that. I don't know. But most important, we have magnets here for our phone. Really depends which one you want to use. There's a round one and the squared one. And I would say we throw that on the phone and install the whole thing, and then we see how that's gonna work out, because yeah, that's the important part after all, right? So here's our phone, and we will go with the, I don't know, squared one. Nah, I think the round one should be enough for us. You can see already they're really strong magnets, so that's good. After all, they are supposed to hold your phone. So let's peel that off. Let's go, come on, let go. Okay, there we go. Then you stick it on. I will put it right here in the middle. I will put it on my case instead of the phone. That's totally up to you. And then it's gonna stick there. Well, simple as that. And I would say now we're in the car. I did install it here. As you can see, it's nice and steady. It's holding quite well. And if I take the phone, I can just stick it on here and you see it's holding there. I can shake it and it's still gonna be there. So, yep, nothing to complain. Actually, I have to be quite strong to release it. And as I told you, I will show you in a second. I will try to record it. This is like the little thing you have to turn to release it, because like a hook here, and that's gonna hold on to your fan. But yeah, that's it. Um, Pretty big fan here. Like it. Easy solution for your mounting your phone to your car.